Revo British Championship powered by Golf, second round, Lyng. This is definitely going to be one to watch, boys. Or should I say boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is definitely going to be one to watch. As you can see behind, the track cut up nicely and it certainly divided the pack, and you could really see some quality racing. And you know, obviously we had two new arrivals. Ben Watson come back to the British Championship scene. Then obviously we had, you know, world champion Jeffrey Herlings just walking around the pits, watching the fans, watching the racing, the burger queues. Sure, they were a mile long, but yeah, it was just awesome to see that so many people coming out and supporting British motocross.
Like 4 years since I've raced here with the British Championship. Prepared to come back, race in front of some fans again as well. It's going to be, yeah, not strange, kind of going back to what we used to, but you know, this last year and a half, we've had no one at the races, so to come back to UK is already good, and then to be in front of the home fans is an extra little boost.
First time in Lyng, very excited, very cool track. It's nice to be kind of corona free again. I feel good.
Britain's on top at the moment.
Oh, you guys are killing it.
He didn't pull in there, did he? Did he make a stop?
He never pulls in. You know, we was really waiting to start racing, and I'm very happy to start racing again today. I think we got 3 more weeks till the first round of the World Championship, so yeah, excited to be at least racing today, and then looking forward to Russia in 3 weeks from now. It's really good, it's really nice, a lot of up and downs and a bit sandy. I'm excited to see how it develops throughout the race day, you know, how it's going to be to get some more lines or whatsoever, but I think it's going to be a pretty rough track, yeah. First of all, we had like almost a 6-month break from March till August or something, and then we started back racing. There was almost no fans allowed, so it was really good now to be racing with some fans at least. I think there's like 4,000 people here, so that's already a good start. So excited for that, and yeah, definitely miss it. It's like not used to that anymore. I always like showing up in England because the people are very friendly and always very welcoming. I mean, times has changed. I mean, racing with Tommy, it wasn't really like this in 2012, but now we're almost 10 years further, so things have changed. And always love coming here. It's a nice country, they have good tracks, and the organization is really well. So for sure starting off now doing here in Lyng, and then maybe, hopefully we'll be racing in 2 weeks time.
Yeah, then 2-stroke ripped out that start, then Conrad passed us and I felt good, speed was good, then I hit Europe coming out the bomb hole and went arse over tit. Feel a bit sore now as I'm getting a bit older. Oh, it's a lot better with a crowd here because they get behind you and gives you a little bit of a cheer up. Conrad's a different league than us, but I think there's a battle for second on.
Come on and explain what happened to yourself.
Well, I was pushing third and then I hit a bump, picked me off, and before I knew it I was on the picket fencing. That's pretty much how it ended.
That's 2 years running now, 1-1 at Lyng. One of the best tracks on the calendar for me, and sandy, bumpy, gnarly. The bike was handling great, and I just loved it. And man, it was so awesome to have the fans back. It was unbelievable. It's been a long time since we raced in front of them, and yeah, the British fans are just the best anyway. So it was a great weekend, and it was nice to have them back. I like to, that's my kind of riding style. I like to play with the track as much as possible, and most importantly have fun. That's why I started this game, and I'm having so much fun out there playing with the bumps and things like that. And that was, I come round and I was almost sighting lap, I was a bit hoppy and things like that, and I thought, come out of the turn before the finish, and I seen a little lip there, I thought, oh, I thought this could be a bit nice here. And then yeah, every lap it was just so smooth, and for me it's just about taking as many bumps out of the equation as possible in working together with the bike and not letting the bike do all the work.
I've never had a third in the British. I managed to get the motor win at Duns a couple of years ago. Apart from that, I've had like 5th and 6th. So hopefully I can just keep in the top 5 for the next lot of rounds and get some good solid points on the board. Now I know I've got the speed to run top 3, and there's no reason why I can't do it any other race. Hopefully I can just keep the momentum going and keep getting solid results.
Today with the venue, we got spectators back. That is awesome. Yeah, and we have Evgeny Bobryshev back this weekend, which we're quite fortunate. He has quite a serious crack on his shoulder blade, which is quite serious. So really, he should really rest for like 4 weeks. But obviously we can't because he's the current points leader. So he's just toughed out qualifying now for 50. He's about 10 days after the accident. It was literally just a tip over. Maybe a rock jabbed him in his shoulder blade and caused the crack there.
Just to have you for once by my side. Oh, are you trying to kill me, babe? Oh, when those legs like fire. Oh,
Who's Herlings?
But no, it was a good race, wasn't it? Honestly, Watson, fucking the bollocks.
What's it like to be back at motocross? Being able to watch?
Awesome.
Oh,
awesome.
mate, awesome.
Fifth, third, rode bad in the first race, rode better in the second race. Just struggled first race. I was just me personally riding. I sort of got tunnel vision, clutching it too much and that. But the second race felt different rider. I'm happy with that. It's a win, isn't it? If the sandbaggers didn't come over. On the podium, red plate, I believe. What more can you ask? I'm happy enough for that.
Yeah, today didn't really go to plan for me. Didn't really follow my flows. Didn't get too much time on the ground and. Altogether just didn't really ride like myself, but not so bad, didn't lose too much and we lived to 5 left to go.
Yeah, no, overall it's been a great day. I mean, we've been training, riding a lot, and it just seems like it's been, you know, forever since we've been behind the start gate, so it was a great idea for me to come to the British, and obviously all the fans here again, so that was a real nice, you know, change and something I've missed a lot. But overall, yeah, I had 2 really good starts, took a whole shot and then was second in the second race, and the first one was really nice. I mean, I led from start to finish, and yeah, Jeffrey was pressuring me, so of all the people, it's, yeah, to have him behind you on your wheel is a little bit tense, but no, I felt like I handled it pretty good, and overall was really happy with that race. And second one, I gated second, and yeah, I managed to, on the first lap, get past Walsh straight away, so that was good. And then I had Jeffrey again pressuring me on the rear wheel, and I think there was maybe 5 minutes to go of the race, and he got on my inside, and yeah, I managed to follow him and pressure him again, you know, to the finish. But I'm absolutely buzzing. I mean, you know, you just look at your phone after the first race and it's just blown up. There's hundreds of tags, and I really do appreciate, you know, everyone around the track who's putting stuff up and the support. I mean, without the fans, it's a complete different atmosphere, and to have, even if it's only 4,000, it is amazing.